Hello, future scientists! In Unit 6, Sound, you have learned that we hear when sound enters our ears and even explored a wide range of sounds. You were able to answer what do you think the source of the sound is. In this week's lesson, we will discuss and talk about different types of musical instruments and their sounds. This could help you identify different sources of sound, such as musical instruments. You can make comparisons between different sounds. You will use these words as you explore the different musical instruments, how you observe, and how they make the sound. Okay, such as bang, pluck, blow, top, scrape, shake. Okay, so remember these new words. And these are some useful links about different musical instruments. Watch this. Okay, and to make our lesson more fun and engaging, let's have a quick guessing game. I will play this video, listen carefully to the sound of the instrument, and guess which instrument is playing. Remember, ears help you to listen to other people talking, such as mom and dad discussing about what to do for Eid al-Fitr, or your teacher giving some instructions to the class about the classwork. Ears can help to keep you safe. How? Okay, so like when you hear the fire alarm, it tells us maybe there is a fire. It helps us to hear sounds that make us happy. Like sound from a bird singing, a musical instrument playing, and a lot more. Now let's talk about musical sounds. What is a musical sound? This is a vibration which is strongly regular. Sound is produced by instruments in which the periodic vibrations can be controlled by the performer. Who is the performer here? Okay, so we are talking about the one who is using or playing the instrument. Now remember, vibration means quickly moving back and forth or up and down about a point of equilibrium. If it vibrates in a regular way, it may produce a musical note because it can make the air vibrate. And this vibration will send sound waves to the ear and to the brain, which we discussed that last week. There are many different sources of sound around us. We use musical instruments to make sounds. Okay, so each musical instrument is a source of sound. Remember, source of sound is a thing that makes sound. So what is musical instrument? It is something that has been made with the purpose of making music, just like this. The UAE has such a unique and rich cultural and traditional history. Emirati music and dance are performed to express happiness during joyous occasions such as Eid, engagements, wedding parties, and celebrations in general. UAE is famous for their oud. It is a string instrument that has become a symbol of identity in the Arab culture. Okay, they have also drums. Dombek, this one is a goblet drum. Daf or tambourine. Rababa, a string instrument. Tanbura and danai. So these musical instruments were used many years ago by Bedouins. There are instruments when we hit or bang to make the sound. Examples are tambourine, drum, and triangle. And there are some instruments that make sound when we blow, and some make sound when we shake. This is a recorder. We blow into it to get the sound. This trumpet, we also blow it, okay? We blow into it to get the sound. These are maracas, and some of you call it a shaker. Okay, we shaker. Why? Because we shake it to get the sound. Now, string instruments make a sound when the string is plucked, strummed, etc. Such as guitar, violin, ukulele, mandolin, harp, and a lot more. Now, we will have a little quiz about the musical instruments, and please don't forget to complete your workbook page 70, making sounds. Just look at these pictures. What must you do to make the instruments make a sound? So these words will help you to describe about the sound of this instrument. And in your workbook page 71, amazing sounds, imagine that you have an amazing bag for sounds. So which sounds would you put into your bag? Would they be sounds you like or sounds you do not like? Draw and write the names of the sounds that you put into your bag. Okay, so please complete that. Now it's time to challenge yourself. Okay, so which instrument could you use to make sounds? And what must you do to the sources of sound to make sounds? And can you make sounds in two ways, such as shake and hit? Now, future scientists, we would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, thank you.